Welcome back, everyone. Yes, again, we're underneath this 2000 Ford Excursion lifted. Today, we're going to be changing this, which is the sway bar link, to better ones, newer ones, obviously, and ones that actually has the Zerk fitting for greasing the thing up as needed, seeing that these ones don't have it. So I went ahead and used some grease and already filled these up a little bit, but I will show you with my grease gun how to fill these things up properly and to a point where needed. So let's get this thing off. Now I did loosen them, as I always do. This big one's going to be a 20 millimeter. Let's get this thing. Let's see. We're gonna need a wrench. Hold this side. Actually, I lied. This is an 18 mil. I think the bottom one's going to be a 20. So, pretty simple. These ones are pretty worn out, as you can see. These things are just flat as a pancake. No life left in them. So, get this thing off. Let's try this one. Much better, I think. Now the newer ones, no washers needed. It actually came with these Zerk fittings, and I went ahead of time and installed those in. And you always want to face them down so you can get your grease gun fitting in there when you're ready. Just like that. Stays. There you go. This is going to be a size, I believe, 17 mil. See, it's getting pulled in to the adjusted length, and once it's up to that point, it will stop. So then I can tighten it. There we go. Out with the old, in with the new. Now with the grease gun, I'm going to show you how this works. This little piece, the adapter here, Pretty simple if you know how to do it the right way. Now when you turn this little top there, see how that thing opens up and closes. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop this thing in there and then close to a point where it will catch on and it will not come out of its place. So that won't go anywhere. Now you can just start pumping your grease gun, and you're gonna see grease going in, and these things will start to ooze out from the sides like that. So since I filled these ones up already, you're gonna need some shop towels to clean these excess grease. Once these things are full, there you can see it expanding now, and you're gonna see grease coming out of the sides just like that. Now you got it all full, and it will squeeze out all the excess grease, and it will stay like that until you need it. So then you can just take this piece off, clean off the excess grease, and that's how you change the sway bar links. And using the Zerk's fitting and a grease gun, fill them up with grease. It will be nice and comfortable. Right after that, I'm gonna fill this up a little more, but pretty simple. And this should be the same for plenty of cars. I mean, 90% of cars that has sway bars with sway bar links, coupes, sedans, SUVs, trucks, should be all the same process. I mean, this one is this design, some will be a little different design, but all in all should be the same. So this is how you do it. Again, thanks for watching, and hope this helped. And again, like always, for video purposes, I've already went ahead and changed this side. There it is. It's a new one on that side. So all I need to do is just fill that one up with a little bit more grease, and we should be done. Again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.